Yeah, guys, this is British Diary. I was disproving the stupid notion that tigers are scared of lions. So there's a very popular claim that desperate lion fans are coming out with is that tigers are supposedly scared of lions that are quote-unquote cowards. Let's disprove that notion very, very quickly. In fact, let's disprove the fact that lions are brave, supposedly, than tigers by just these few clips right here. This one, and this one, and this one. And in these numerous other videos, where the lions are supposed to be running from tigers out of pure fear, and instantly practically shitting themselves. See, lions can't show you fights, they'll show you this, clips like this. But for lions, and thinking it'll mean anything in their fights. We can all show videos of either animal scaring each other. It means nothing to a physical fight. In fact, I actually challenge any lion fan to find a video where a lion sits, crouches down, and then fights two male tigers. Because this is exactly what this tiger did. Not even standing up while fighting, but was crouched, practically chilling. And these two male lions, not a single sign of submitting, not a single sign of fear. And this tiger literally sat down, not even trying, right? Just sat down, chilling, and literally fought those two male lions. At the same time. Now, I don't know, but I've not seen a single lion do that to two male tigers at all. Again, I challenge lion fans to find a single video of this. That's why it's happening. They won't. Okay. You people argue that a single male lion, a single Asiatic toothless lioness is enough to put fear in a full-grown male Siberian tiger. Well, this video completely begs to differ, where a single tiger fights two male lions, not at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this to others. Peace.